Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the moderation list on the Bluesky application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bluesky application on your device. And once you open it up, you will be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. So proceed forward with your username or your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage, from which, in order to access the moderation list, click on the menu icon at the top left corner and then click on Settings. Now within the Settings page, go ahead and tap on Moderation and you will now see the moderation tools. Tap on Moderation Lists and you will now be able to access the moderation lists that you have created. You can tap on the New button in order to create a new moderation list, and you may also delete any one that you already have from this page as well. You also have the option to access muted words and tags. From here you can add any word or tag as muted. You can use these tools to filter the contents that you are shown within the Bluesky app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to access the moderation list within the Bluesky application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.